Welcome to Kavi's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of banana smoothie. Here are the amazing benefits of banana smoothies. Banana shakes or smoothies are extremely versatile and the recipe can be tailored to meet specific health needs and goals including promoting weight loss or gain. Yes, and now what we have to do, we have to peel the banana and cut into pieces and then add the peanut butter and honey and milk. You can use the nut milk or dairy milk to banana and now blend mixer and here it is going to get ready. And now banana smoothies shakes boost energy because bananas are rich in complex carbs that pump a steady stream of glucose in your body and gives energy to make a killer workout. And for healthy skin, bananas contain vitamin C that produces collagen antioxidant which plays a key role in healing skin damage and keeps your skin hydrated and slow aging process and reduces hair fall. And now my smoothie is ready.